Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for business process optimization. I will just tell you in three simple basic steps with examples of tasks and responses. Number one is that identify a key area. So you will just look for repetitive or time consuming tasks. We spend too much time drafting email templates for customer support. So if I just develop use cases, like if I just ask ChatGPT for solution by framing a clear task. So if I just write an example, draft a professional email response for a customer complaint about delivery. So in the last, if I just write it on, please write a response on this email, and let's see. So it will write for me, apologize for the delayed delivery, we resolving it. So you can just use it, this, like you will just save your time for your business optimization process. You will just simply copy it and paste it in the Gmail, whatever you want to paste it, and give them response. So you can just use it easily for your business optimization. Another point is that you can just use test integrate. So test ChatGPT for relevance and incorporate it into your workflow. So example, if I just write, summarize weekly sales data into a short report. So I will just give them command to summarize weekly sales data into a short report. But make sure, before you writing this, you will just attach it from your data PDF file, or you can just add a picture, and you will just give them command to that, summarize weekly sales data into a short report. So if I just scroll down, and weekly sales report summary, like this: total sales, total amount, up down, and percent compared to last week, you will see. So in this way you can just use for your business optimization to save your time easily. So in this way, workflow to streamline operations effectively to using ChatGPT for your business optimization process. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.